Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ashfaq Ali. As you all know, today I am talking about, and also I am giving my opinion on very honorable, respectful, grateful, and very trustable politician in whole over the Pakistan. To be honest, right now I am totally confused which place I start to our government progress, because each and every government before election they are asked to peoples if you give our votes when, and then in a very short time so we change the whole our structure of our whole our the structure of Pakistan. But after winning the elections, one politician ask we not give the NRO, and another politician ask मुझे क्यों निकाला, and next politician ask हम ऐसा दिल रखते ही नहीं है जो कि टूटे. दिस नॉट अ कॉमन सेंस, दिस नॉट अ लॉजिक. वी आर नॉट एनिमल्स, वी आर द पीपल्स, वी आर द ह्यूमन बींग्स. इट्स आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, पाकिस्तानीज, पेट्रियोटिक पीपल्स. It's our responsibility. Why we waste to our vote? Because we are the poor people. We are not a richest people. In our hand, we just a weapon. We just a one weapon with the face of vote. If it's our responsibility, we utilize our vote for the good leader. We select the good leader for us to change our life and also our children's life. Why we give the vote to the nonsense leader, to the or to the uneducated leaders? Why? I am not against our politician, because I am a Pakistani. It's my responsibility, and and also I am a student. It's my responsibility to I am support each and every departments in our Pakistan and also government. I am not against the government, but why to our government? Why each and every government to fail to change to change the structure of Pakistan? Why? Here is a question. Why? Because our media in our Pakistan, with the 43 news channels, they are talking to each and every day. They are talking to debate, but they not give the solutions. We think, we understand, we have a problem, but no. Why each and every people not give the solutions? We give the solutions, because we must be change these structures. Democracy system is not traveling the long time, especially in our Pakistans. We should become on the presidential system. To be honest, when I look the structure of Bangladesh and Afghanistan, when I shock. Why? Because when I look their economies day by day increasing compared to Pakistan. I know, you know, all over the world know Afghanistan and Pakistan and Afghanistan and Bangladesh is a very poor country compared to Pakistan. But why their economy is day by day increasing? Because they have a presidential systems. We must be change the systems. Because we must be change the systems. President system is a good for Pakistan. To be honest, I am not against these systems, but democracy system is a totally fail in our Pakistans. But we can't understand. We are busy on roti, kapda or makan, and also we are busy on the tomato issues, and also lot of many very nonsense issues. But we not talk to these issues. Why? If our aims, we change the structure of Pakistan, we change the life our and our children, we must become on the presidential system. Presidential system is the best for the Pakistans. Please understand me what I can say, because I look, because I am very going to very deep on this government. This is not a solution. Presidential system is a good for Pakistan. I hope you understand what I can say in our politicians. Assalamu alaikum.